look at autos, so your banking, IT, autos, I will talk about two sectors simultaneously. And those are commodity sectors, metal and cement. To attain the magical figure of 10% GDP growth, which the late Finance Minister Shri Arun Jaitley, when he had delivered his speech in 2014-15, he had projected 10% GDP growth rate India will achieve. And to achieve that 10% GDP growth rate, we are already at 8.40, right? And today's credit policy is estimated about 9% plus, right? So to achieve that 9%, 9.5 and 10%, it is very necessary that India and India's government spends a lot on infrastructure. Without infrastructure, it is very difficult to attain that magical figure of 10%. And the government has already spoken about spending on Bharat Nirman. I'm sure you must have heard about it. So Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, affordable housing, housing for all, airports, freeways, expressways, highways, dedicated freight corridors. In all this thing, and of course, housing, real estate. In all this thing, what are the two commodities that you need? Without that, can you make any durable infrastructure? So metal and cement are going to be something that will perform extremely well going forward from here on. In metals, there are top four companies, large cap companies that you should look at. And in cement, other than the three names in the large cap, you should look at some mid cap cement companies also. And I'll tell you friends, very recently, I think in South, they reduced the cement bag prices by I think 20 rupees a bag. And in Tamil Nadu, they reduced by I think 40 rupees or something like that. This is a temporary kind of a reduction. If government is going to spend on all these things, if infrastructure is going to grow, if real estate is going to grow, if private capex is going to spend on capacity expansion, cement and metal, and we all know, in fact, I was quite pleased to see the metro work in Hyderabad city. The last time that I had come, at least about a year and a half or 2 years back, it was at a very lower stage. But like in Hyderabad, like in Mumbai, other cities in India are also creating this kind of transportation, modern day transportation as we call it. And to erect one pillar, you can understand the kind of amount of cement that will go and the metal that will go. Imagine the kind of infrastructure that has to be created all over India. So cement and metal is something that you should definitely have. And along with that, friends, one sector that I want to speak about is very closely associated with all of us. That is FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. I'll tell you friends, and it's a very common sense, I'll tell you. From the time we get up in the morning, we start consuming products which are manufactured by these companies. Starting with your toothbrush and your toothpaste. Correct me if I'm wrong. So after brushing your teeth, you go for a bath, you will use a soap, shampoo, conditioner, etc., etc., body wash or whatever. You come out from a bath, you do your puja, whatever, puja part, you sit for your breakfast. You consume your tea, coffee, which is again manufactured by these companies. You have lunch, there are products which are manufactured by these companies. You have your evening tea with some biscuits and all that, again manufactured by FMCG companies. You come back home, you have your dinner, again you consume their products. Imagine if, for example, I'm just giving you an example, okay? Don't take, this is not an investment idea, I'm just giving you an example. All of you must have used Close-Up or Colgate. Unfortunately, Patanjali has not come out with an IPO. Dant Kanti is also Mr. Baba Ramdev is talking about an IPO, but I don't know when it will happen. So imagine you trust the product that these companies make, right? Have you ever thought of buying shares? Forget about from the time you started brushing your teeth, but at least when you started earning, you thought of buying Colgate, you thought of buying HUL. If you can trust the product, why can't you invest in that company? You are contributing to the profitability of that company. As simple as that, friends. Is everybody with me in all this? So this, and remember one thing, 140 crore population, India is a consumption driven economy. Consumption is not going to stop. And along with that, the 35% of the population is youth, and you have companies which have come out with IPOs very recently. You order food on their app. Why don't you invest on that company? Is everybody getting that? You will order your pizza, your favorite burger from your QSR, quick service restaurant as we call it. But did we even ever imagine why don't we buy the shares of those companies? India was, is and will remain a consumption driven economy. And it is not going to stop. And I'll tell you friends, forget about metros or tier 2 cities. These companies have great market in semi-urban and rural India. And the physical hygiene awareness that is now spread amongst semi-urban and rural population is humongous. I travel a lot all over India. I'm sure you must be also traveling. Once you go to outskirts, to remote areas, you see the availability of product. One small shop will have entire display of products which are manufactured by these companies. Imagine the kind of demand that is there. So please keep FMCG, large cap companies and mid cap companies. Along with that, QSR, that is quick service restaurant. App-based companies which have got listed very recently are also something that you should definitely have a look at, because earning growth looks extremely strong over there. And last but not the least, I cannot leave you without speaking about pharma, healthcare and diagnosis. I'm sure we must have gone through, or our family members must have gone through various kind of tests. So there are 3 listed entities in the diagnosis universe that looks extremely attractive. And those who tell you that COVID-19 will go away are living in fool's paradise. This thing, according to me, according to my understanding, please correct me if I'm wrong, this thing is going to stay. We only have to overcome this in terms of resistance. It may change avatar. First it was Delta, then it was Delta Plus, and now you have Omicron. And you will have another avatars. And as and when these news flow that will come, markets will react. And when markets react, you have to grab that opportunity in terms of investments. It is not that if COVID-19 was such a big issue, then would we have traveled from 25,900 to 62,200 Sensex, or maybe 7,600 Nifty to 18,600? Would it, and in a matter of 18 months? Can you understand the potential? This is the potential that I'm trying to tell you. Pandemic will come in different avatars, in different forms, in different names, and markets will react to it. But that will be a great opportunity to invest from a long-term point of view. So, diagnosis, 3 companies are listed. Hospitality, hospitals, healthcare. There are one large company, South-based, and again another company which is again South-based. Very well-known doctor had started this company. He's a cardiologist, great person. Look at those kind of companies. And in pharma, look at companies which have tied up with foreign companies in terms of vaccines, oral or maybe nasal or whatever form, or maybe in form of injection that we all have taken. Please look at these kind of companies. And I'll tell you friends, India was, is and will remain pharmacy to the world. It will be there for many years to come. And the way we live our life in today's world, India itself is a big opportunity for Indian pharmaceutical companies. Blood pressure, diabetes, mental stress, etc. So India itself is a big opportunity for pharmaceutical companies. Stick to these 6 or 7 sectors that I have spoken to you. Pick 2 companies, large cap and some mid cap, and make a very decent and a sizable portfolio. It is my humble. You don't need to have multiple stocks. And the great Guru has said, wide diversification is only necessary when you don't know what you are doing. When you know what you are doing, you will keep your portfolio small, short, sweet and trim. You will be able to focus. If 10 lakhs of rupees you're going to have 30 stocks, that portfolio will never perform. It will never perform. But in 10 lakhs of rupees, you restrict it to maybe 5 or 8, performance will be visible. So don't do unnecessary diversification. Don't buy the 6,000 plus companies. Do you want to buy entire stock market? Please ask yourself. You don't need to do that. Stick to the basic principles. That is it, period. And all these sectors are growth-oriented sectors that I'm speaking about. Lastly, before I throw the floor open for your question and answers, I want to speak a few minutes on gold, if you permit me. Can I speak for some minute on gold? Okay, great. So, all of you all will agree with me, gold is a natural commodity. To make gold, you have to mine for gold, bring out raw gold, put it through your chemical process, and give the desired shape, size you want to give. Correct me if I'm right? Everybody is with me? Great. In the last 5 years, gold reserves across the world has gone down at an alarming rate. Why? Because of indiscriminate mining. And can you replace what is natural? Can you do that? You can't do that. You can't do that. And before I speak more on gold, since this thing has come into, a thought has come into mind, I want to request all of you all, please stay away from cryptocurrency, bitcoins. Don't go there. And if somebody is advising you, if somebody is going to become your fund manager and tell you to invest in cryptos, please ask that person who's the mother and father of crypto. Has that person seen the color of crypto? Shape? Has anybody? No. And government has already made it clear that they are not going to recognize it. And it is the worst form of illicit money. You call it human trafficking, terrorism, drugs, prostitution, all kind of things. Please don't go there. There are enough stocks in the share market that you can invest in. But don't go to crypto. It is my humble request. Coming back to gold. So, in the last 5 years, the natural reserves have gone down at an alarming rate. And whatever is natural, you cannot replace it. I agree that gold is stuck in a range between 46 and 48 or 49,000 for 10 grams for the last maybe about year and a half, correct me if I'm wrong. But before that, when it was trading at 20-25,000, again, could anybody imagine it touched what, 55,000 10 grams or 56,000? 56,000 10 grams. Did anybody imagine? And it happened in a 1 year time frame? Yeah? Or less than 1 year, right? Gold is an asset class which you have to leave it on its own. You cannot compare it with any other asset class. Gold will sit in your, घर में आपका कबाड़ होएगा, लॉकर होएगा, सोना उधर बैठा रहेगा, कुछ नहीं करेगा. या फिर if you have a bank locker, gold will sit over there. It will not do anything. But when 3 years, 5 years going forward, when people realize the importance that gold is something natural and you cannot replace it, and when people will move their focus from so-called crypto or Bitcoin, gold prices will start going up. I'll give you one simple logic. 5 years back, the mining cost in dollar terms was affordable because that much of gold used to come out. Today, the quantity and quality is going down. So when your quantity and quality of gold that is coming out goes down, will your operating cost also go down? Go up. Right? So if your operating cost goes up in dollar term, gold prices in dollar term will also go. And similarly in rupee term also it will. If you have 100 rupees for example, my humble request is put maybe 10% or 20% in gold related products. Either gold ETFs you have listed. There are about 12 gold ETFs listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. This is very simple. 1 unit of gold is equal to 1 gram of gold. 1 ETF of gold is equal to 1 gram of gold. You can buy any of them. Or else, government has introduced gold bonds. You can buy physical gold also. but too much of gold at home will not let you sleep at night. So my humble request is that please allocate at least 10 or 15% of your whatever investable amount to either gold ETFs or gold bonds. I'll end over here. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. Now I'll throw the floor open for your questions, answers. Please bear with me because of regulation restrictions. There are certain limitations that I have to go by. I will try to answer your questions to the best of my ability. But there is another regulation that had come into effect way back in 2016, and that was Research Analyst Regulation Act. And by the virtue of that act coming into effect, people like me can't comment on stocks which we don't cover. But I am at a liberty to give you an alternative investment idea. Floor is all yours, your questions and my answers. Thank you all very much. You guys have been wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you. बैटरी मैं चाहता तो बहुत सारा कवर कर सकता था इसमें, लेकिन समय की थोड़ी पाबंदी भी है और मुझे बोला गया था कि मैं सेक्टर के ऊपर बात कर सकता हूँ, स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक पे बात नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो बैटरी सेक्टर जाहिर है, इट्स बट नेचुरल. इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल विल रन ऑन बैटरी एंड देयर आर टू नोन नेम्स विच आर लिस्टेड. इवन फॉरगेट अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, पेट्रोल डीजल से चलने वाली गाड़ियों को भी बैटरी की जरूरत पड़ती है. नया मार्केट भी है, रिप्लेसमेंट मार्केट भी उतना ही बड़ा है. तो जब ऑटो सेक्टर पर मैं आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की राय दे रहा हूं, तो आपको ऑटो एंसिलरीज में भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए. मैंने जानबूझ के मैं ज्यादा दूर नहीं गया, लेकिन मैं चाहता था कि आप लोग मेरे से सवाल पूछें. तो डेफिनेटली सर, 2 listed entities.
So what about the defense sectors?
So defense, again, India is going to reduce. Already 2 lists are out by the Defense Ministry.
Yeah.
3rd list is work in progress. So you have listed entities. तेजस ने बहुत बड़ा पराक्रम किया दुबई में, अभी जो एयर शो हुआ था, बहुत बड़ा पराक्रम किया. और लाइट कॉम्बैट हेलीकॉप्टर भी HAL ने निकाला है. तो कंपनीज लाइक HAL is there, or I'm sorry Tejas, I am deviating, but I have to answer the question. So you have all the listed entities, including private sector is now invited because of FDI and defense.
Yes, sir.
So there are companies which are really going fast forward in terms of defense activity. You should have some allocation to defense, and I think we are just at the cusp of exponential growth
in the defense sector also.
in the defense sector. इतना बड़ा इंपोर्ट हम करते हैं डिफेंस को लेकर के सर, इतना बड़ा इंपोर्ट है, क्यों करना है? हमारे यहाँ पर बुद्धिमत्ता है, दिमाग है, हम सब कर सकते हैं, तो यहाँ पर क्यों नहीं करना है? नीतियाँ नहीं थी, पॉलिसीज वर नॉट देयर. नाउ पॉलिसीज आर इन प्लेस एंड इट्स वर्किंग वेल.
This also runs for a considerable period of 6 to 7 years range.
Defense will perform extremely well going forward.
What of the telecom and insurance sector is there?
टेलीकॉम एंड इंश्योरेंस, या तो सर जब मैं 2 मोबाइल लेके घूम रहा हूँ तो टेलीकॉम पे तो बात करना जरूरी होगा. तो 2 लार्ज प्लेयर है, तीसरे का मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि वो अर्निंग्स वाइज इतनी अच्छी कंपनी है. हालांकि बहुत लोग 10 रुपए से 15 रुपए हो गया था, लेकिन आई एम अ लिटिल बिट स्केप्टिकल. बट 2 big companies, Jio and Bharti Airtel. Jio is Reliance Industries, of course, because it comes under Reliance Industries balance sheet, and Bharti Airtel. Stick to that. They are better. Like I said, buy quality, don't buy quantity. Insurance में life, I'll come to you, sir. So life insurance, 3 listed entities, very well established. And I'll tell you one thing, 140 crore population and the number of people who are insured is again lower single digit. And this COVID-19 has actually taught people that it is very necessary to insure yourself. Not for yourself, but for your family.
Families.
We used to buy insurance as a tax saving product. That mentality has changed in the last 16 to 18 months. So all the three listed entities are great companies that you can buy. Somebody had a question?
What about aviation industry?
Aviation, civil aviation, oil sector I'll come. So only one company that we had a coverage is the largest low-cost airline in India. Again, I will not go into the name because of compliance issue. So Akasa will take time, and I don't know whether the great wealth creator will think about IPO, but see, only thing is it is again sensitive to lockdowns. If you have restrictions and all that, then aviation sector like hotel industry, like travel and tourism will take a beating. But minus this, if you are looking at 3 years, 4 years or something like that, the best company is the largest airline in India, which is a low cost carrier. You should buy that. Other low cost carrier I will not comment because we don't have a coverage.
What's your outlook on health insurance industry? We are talking about pharma and diagnostic sectors.
I'll come to you, sir. First, his was in oil. So we are positive on all the three marketing companies, oil marketing companies and exploration companies, including gas, because gas is also alternative fuel. So you have again 5 companies listed over there. So we are extremely positive. Only thing is the government's divestment process is something that I am very eagerly waiting. And I'll tell you one thing very frankly. This is my personal opinion. Government has no business to be in business. Government business is to make policies and govern the country. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
Why do you have so many public sector banks? Now, of course, mergers have happened. But there are so many public sector companies that government has. Why do you need it?
Earlier, private sector had no capital. Now they have the potential. That's the reason.
And one more thing. I'll come. Public sector companies have actually not created return. Investors of public sector companies have not got the return. Despite of the last 18 months market performance, where are your public sector companies? They have not created. And why govern them? Give it to the private sector. Get your money and run the country. No, boss, what is your business to be in business? You govern the country. Sorry, sir, you had a question. Sir, you had a question.
About your outlook on the health insurance industry, since we have talked about pharma and diagnostic sector.
So health insurance, I named 3 companies, life insurance companies. Other than that, we don't have any specific coverage, which I can't comment because of regulation. Somebody else had a question.
Prospects of specialty chemicals.
I'll come to you. Specialty chemicals. This is one sector which is exponential beneficiary of China Plus One policy. Specialty and agrochemicals. And government focus to boost agri output. Recently, fertilizer के लिए भी policy government ने had announced very recently. So extremely positive on specialty chemicals. The only thing is that it has run up. So if you get corrections, it will be a great opportunity to buy. But look at specialty and agrochemicals. That will be should be your focus. Sorry.
लास्ट 3 मंथ से
I-
कंटिन्यू सेलिंग करे था
I'll come to. अच्छा हुआ है पूछा, मैं आता हूँ आपके पास. अभी नाम लेना ही पड़ेगा मेरे को लगता है. So you have Aurobindo, Divi's, Dr. Reddy's. Laurus, I am little bit. I think it has done its run, Laurus. And no, again, no specific coverage, so I can't comment. हाँ सर, आप FIS के बारे में बात
और
कर रहे हैं.
3 मंथ से सेल कर रहा है ना, वो 95 लाख करोड़ बेच दिए. क्या रीजन क्या है सर?
प्लीज, थैंक यू. सर, आप में से किसी के पास कोई गोरे का फोन आया था क्या मैं आज माल बेच रहा हूँ करके? आया किसी का फोन? या किसी गोरे का फोन आया आज मैं माल खरीद रहा हूँ?
रीजन क्या है सर?
हिंदुस्तान में शेयर बाजार में बेचेंगे, जाके चाइना में खरीदेंगे सर. चाइना में बेचेंगे, जाके मलेशिया में खरीदेंगे. वो किसी के सगे वाले नहीं होते सर. और एक बात है, if you base your investment thesis idea on FI buying and selling, that is the greatest mistake that is. Please, उनको बेचना है ना, बेचने दो. सस्ते में हम खरीदेंगे, महंगे में हम बेच के जाएंगे उनको. कोई तो बेचना चाहिए ना सर माल, वरना फिर मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटी कैसा आएगा? वो करेक्शन से जिसको मेरे को इतनी खुशी मिलती सर, करेक्शन
ऐसा कुछ हाइड रीजन है क्या?
कुछ नहीं है सर. मेरे को बताइए ना, आप मेरे को बताइए. जीएसटी कलेक्शन 1,31,000 crores, second highest. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
8.4% योर जीडीपी ग्रोथ. इन्फ्लेशन थोड़ा नाजुक है लेकिन इतना भी खराब नहीं है. आईआईपी नंबर अच्छा है. इंटरेस्ट रेट्स, ब्याज दर आपका स्टडी है. कॉर्पोरेट अर्निंग्स लास्ट 2 क्वार्टर का जो रिजल्ट आया है वो बता रहा है, इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि ग्रोथ इज विजिबल. मेरे ख्याल से उनके मम्मी पापा ने ना बादाम नहीं खिलाया उनको. बादाम खाते तो शायद थोड़ी अक्ल और आती. लेकिन मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जैसा मैंने आपको बोला सर, इंडिया में वेलकम सर 4% से अगर 6% बढ़ गया ना इन्वेस्टमेंट एसेट, रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स का बेस, उन लोग दौड़ के आएंगे हमारे पास. लाइक आई सेड, यू कैन हेट इंडिया बट यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर इंडिया. कोई फंड मैनेजर पूरी दुनिया में ऐसा नहीं होएगा जिसको इंडिया एज एन एसेट क्लास नहीं दिखता है. अगर नहीं दिखता है तो शायद उसकी आंख का इलाज कराना पड़ेगा उसको. सर स्पोर्ट्स, सिनेमा एंड एंटरटेनमेंट. तो एंटरटेनमेंट स्पोर्ट्स में देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक कवरेज सर, सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू कमेंट. बट ये भी एक ऐसा सेक्टर है, सिनेमा एंड एंटरटेनमेंट, मोर स्पेसिफिकली मल्टीप्लेक्सेस. बराबर है ना सर, आप उसी की बात कर रहे हो. तो सबसे बड़ी कंपनी जो है पीवीआर, जिसके सबसे लार्जेस्ट स्क्रीन्स है, वो कवरेज में है. लेकिन इट इज अ सेक्टर विच इज वल्नरेबल टू लॉकडाउन्स और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. एंड एंटरटेनमेंट में एक ही कंपनी है सर, जी एंटरटेनमेंट, जो अभी काफी चर्चा में. तो सोनी के साथ कुछ टाइप वगैरह,
Tie-up with Sony.
हाँ समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो वो तो
Sir,
या
sir, in last 1.5 years, the IPOs has gone very well.
Yeah.
But now the market hype is very high, sir, like in IPOs. But the Paytm has came and shaken up the everything. So comment on this, sir.
जोर का झटका धीरे से.
Yes, sir.
तो ये जरूरी था. You know why? Because everybody had got used to listing gains.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
100%, 150, 200%. तो ये पेटीएम हुआ, अच्छा हुआ. लोगों का थोड़ा.
Checking.
But I'll tell you one thing, there are IPOs which have created fantastic wealth. आप खाली पेटीएम की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसको छोड़ करके
No, sir.
at
Suppose-
least 1 dozen IPOs which have created wealth,
Yes,
which
sir.
came very recently.
Forensic fund, sir. No, sir, that hype is very high in the market. Like
So you have to look at the valuation, and today's world, information is available at a press of a button on your mobile phone. You will get the rating of the IPO, valuation, detailed research report by brokerage houses like Geojit. There are other brokerage houses who come out, whether to subscribe, not to subscribe. But be a little bit careful in terms of valuation, and don't always go by listing gains. Have the capacity to hold a good IPO allotment if you get it. मार्केट में से भी बहुत लोग पैसा उधार में लेकर के लगाते हैं, क्या पता क्या कर सोच के करते हो. वेरी सैड.
What is the company names for insurance companies, three companies?
Can I? So 3 listed entities are the largest player. LIC is going to come out with an IPO.
Yes.
So you have SBI Life, you have HDFC Life, and you have ICICI Life. See. And if LIC comes out, please IPO. आपने पूछा. Please subscribe, not from listing gains. Keep it. Keep it. Investment. Last 3 questions, because I am getting some signs from behind, and we are virtually approaching. Sorry?
Your comment on drone manufacturing company.
Brewing manufacturing.
Drone manufacturing.
So liquor basically. liquor, right?
Obvious.
Sir, they make good products. And India is a big market. Market गिरेगा तो लोग पिएगा. Market ऊपर जाएगा तो भी लोग पिएगा.
DRONE.
Drones.
Drone manufacturing. I beg your pardon. Sorry. So drone again, you know, it's again a startup kind of a thing. There are good companies which have technology, and again, this is IT related, drone technology. So no specific comments are because we are still in the process of identifying companies. But drone and this surveillance camera manufacturing companies, because of the kind of sensitivity that we are exposed to, all these will also do well. But drone, again, it depends upon how the policies evolve by the government. What kind of framework, which I am not as of now aware. So a little bit difficult to comment.
What about PSU banks? Can we enter the existing?
3 banks, large cap banks, you can definitely. No problem.
Sir, GST for garments and footwear going to be increased from 1st Jan. What will be the impact?
Very conveniently, they will pass on to customers like you and me. So they will not have any impact. Even paint companies, real estate sector paint companies, because all associated. Even textile sector, one of the beneficiary of this China +1 policy and the PLI scheme that they have introduced. So good, strong companies you should definitely look.
सर थोड़े स्टॉक्स दो ना सर बाय सिप मोड में बाय सिप मोड
What is your opinion on Dixon Technology?
It's a great company. Great company. See, there are certain companies which are, there are a lot of entry barriers. So like companies like Dixon Technology is one of them. MTAR Technology is the other one. IRCTC is the third one. कोई competitor ही नहीं है सर. IRCTC का कोई competition और होएगा भी नहीं. कल एक जन मेरे को बोल रहा था इंडियन रेलवेज को डाइवर्समेंट करेगा गवर्नमेंट. पागल है. क्यों करेगा वो? इतना रेवेन्यू आ रहा है उनको. नहीं करेगा. आपने कुछ सवाल पूछा था सर.
सब थोड़े स्टॉक्स जो सिप मोड में बाय कर सकते लॉन्ग टर्म के
Sir has given a list sector wise stocks जो आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ब्रांच मैनेजर्स को दिया गया है. यहाँ पे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस है.
Okay, sir.
माफी चाहता हूँ. Okay, my branch managers have the list. You can call them up and take it. Sir has given it.
आपको कम से कम
Because
40 स्टॉक मिलेगा उसमें. लेकिन मेरे को एक रिक्वेस्ट, I again request my team, our team will send it to all of you on your email IDs or you can call up or they will call you. But my humble request is that you, आपको वो पूरा 40 का 40 स्टॉक खरीदने का जरूरी नहीं है. उसमें से आप सिलेक्ट करो. आज गौरांग ने आकर के आपको जो सेक्टर्स के बारे में बात करी, what have you understood from that? And based on your understanding, select 5 or 10 stocks, whatever you want to invest. Do a little bit of homework and then invest. मैं बोला करके मत करिएगा. And again request all of you all, आपका फैमिली में आपका फ्रेंड्स फंड मैनेजर बोथ बन जाते हैं. ये ले लो वो ले लो. वो मत करिएगा प्लीज. That is again one of the disasters that you should avoid. Thank you very much.